Okay, here's another plank progression for you. This one's tough. So if I've given you this in your workout, then be flattered, because I don't give that many people this exercise to do. It's definitely very tough. Again, regular push-up position, or plank position, but keep the feet really wide this time. Tuck the hips under, push up onto the toes. You're going to stick one arm out, and then work on getting the opposite leg out. And hold. But again, don't let your back arch or your hips tilt. You got to stay square and try and just lock it in. Finish with child's pose. As you can see.